we'll be working on this Seville Classic Tower Fan. As you can see, someone was already trying to work on this already because the cover has been removed. Alright, so it is plugged in and we're going to turn it on. You can see it spinning, barely spinning right there. So lucky enough the thermal fuse isn't blown. Alright, so we're going to take a look at it. So turn it off to prevent any further damage. So in order to go into this tower fan, you have to remove this piece. So remove this piece by using a flathead screwdriver and kind of prise it up. Alright, after that expose the circuit board and you remove those screws in order to get down into the fan. Alright, so those 5 screws and everything should comes off. Alright, after I remove that section, we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 screws to remove, including this bushing here. Alright, so it has been removed. You can see the screws over there. So now we're going to these hinges right here, we're going to lift it up and take it off in order to get to the motor itself. Alright, so in order to take off this, you have to remove these screws at the side here in order to remove this metal piece. Alright, after that was removed, you remove the screw that holds the tower. Alright, so this is all the parts coming from the tower fan. Alright, has been cleaned up. This is the control board that was disassembled. This is the capacitor, 2.5 microfarad plus or minus 5%. Right down here we have a synchronous motor here that controls the direction of the fan when it turns left or right, or it swing, I should say. Now this is the motor. As you can see, it has a little notch right here, right there. That is where this screw going to come in place. Alright, so what we're going to do now, we're going to fit it up back now, put this black piece onto here and then do it step by step and let you see. So the motor has been cleaned up and I have put little grease here. See, show it spinning freely. Alright, so now we're going to put this piece onto this. Alright, stay tuned for that. Alright, so you can see now it has been put on. Now I'm going to put on the base right there, so you have to ensure so it lines up. Alright, so the motor now will go like this and fix in its place like that, and then we're going to screw it down with these screws. Alright, so this is how it's going to stay. So I had to pull it up completely in order to clean it. Alright, so now I'm going to fit it up back and then test it. Alright, so I'm going to screw it up now. Alright, so the motor is in place. Now the control and the plastic is going to put together like this, and then we're going to screw it up, and then I'm going to show you how to put on the other piece. Alright, so before I screw up that. I'm going to run the control cable through here, and it comes out here, so I can make the connection here. If you want to know the connection, I just simple write them down so I know where each wire come from. Alright, so I'm going to do that, let you see. As you can see, the cable was run across. Then now we're going to add the black cover now. Everything is lined up, so we're going to put in all the screws and then make the necessary connection based on what I have written down here. Alright, the connection was made. Alright, this cover is being put on. Now this groove here, we're going to ensure that this screw lines up with that groove. Alright, so as you can see, it is installed cover now, so we're going to put on the next cover. Alright, so from the power cord, alright, so here it is now. Turn it on, you hear it. Press this button for it to swing. Alright, and it's swinging. Alright, so if you like this fix, please leave a comment down below. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe and ensure the bell notification is on. Alright.